Okay, we are going to talk about something important, one of the best health gain we have from Ramadan, two processes. One of them is known as autophagy, and the other one is stem cell production. As we move from burning sugar to burning fat, the body insulin level will come down, then we start burning fat, and this is when the body starts the process of autophagy and stem cell production. Scientifically, it's known as intermittent fasting, which is more than 10 hours or at least up to 18 hours. So if you do that, then you are going to activate these two processes. What will happen? The body will look into the aging cells where the machineries inside them, particularly those which are concerned by energy production. The machineries are aging, they're not doing a good job. So when the body goes into this state of fasting and burning fat, then it will get a process called autophagy. Auto means self and phagy means eating. So the body eats its machineries and take the same material and rebuild this machine brand new. So the cells are still old, but the machineries in them are brand new. So they are going to be very efficient cells working in a time of adversity. When we haven't got enough food, the body is going into a stage of starvation, so that you have to be strong and you have to be able to get a big catch to save the rest of the tribe, as our ancestor did. And so fasting is one important process which is going to help the body do autophagy. Also, exercise is another way of activating this process. And if you eat some other food items like turmeric, for example, is a very important. Ginger, garlic, green tea, pomegranate, and dark chocolates all can help in this process. And it's scientifically, autophagy is very well known to prevent cancer. It's a very good way actually to prevent dementia as well. The other process is called the stem cell production. The stem cell is the undifferentiated cells of the body that is available to build or repair some specific tissues in the body. Most of the stem cells are stored in the bone marrow, but when you activate this process of fasting and you start burning fat, the body starts producing these stem cells and they will be circulating around looking for areas where needs attention. When they see areas, your tendons or your muscles or any particular cells in your body that needs repair, then they will be converted into that specific type of cells and do the repair. So this is really another way for renewal of the body tissues and for getting the body stronger and ready for the rest of the year. So this is two important processes that happens with Ramadan. I hope by the end of these holy months to get the best out of that. This subject is very complicated, but is very important. And I would like to spend more time in more videos to explain these issues in more details. So please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.